Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day.
Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today I'll do unboxing of the new bike, Senada Drifter. It's a 20-inch wheels with 4-inch wide tires, 750 watt motor with a bigger battery than usual. Do the speed test to show you how fast it can go, and then I will share with you my view on this bicycle to see if I like it or not, and show you some tips how to use this bicycle. So let's see what is inside. This bicycle is not that heavy, so it's pretty simple. I will just pull it out. Alright guys, so finally I have a chance to take it for a ride. I assembled it. It was very simple, but before going I want to show you some safety tips. Okay, so over here this latch, which easily open up and foldable, becomes the bike can be folded, so the steam can be folded. I have a video how to adjust it if it's too loose or if it's too hard. I will post it in description, but before that I want to show you there's a lock. Most people probably doesn't know about it, but if you look over here, this piece is a lock. So once you close this latch, you have to use this lock to put in this hole all the way down, okay, like this, so it will be completely protected, so it will not open while you're riding. And then if you need to, you just pull it out and open up. So the bicycle comes with 5 pedal assist mode with really nice and big display, which is LCD. It's one color, so but you can see it sun on the bright sun right now, and you can still see it very well, so it's pretty good. I don't really care about color as long as you can see and it's very clear. It does come with a front light, turn on very easily over here, and also it comes with a horn, very loud horn, and it's a half throat. Okay, so let's go for a ride. Speed test. Let's see how fast it can go. I'm gonna switch to the PS5 pedal assist level 5 because the throat only works to the top speed, depending on the pedal assist. And let's see how fast it can go on pedal assist only. So it's 25 miles right now, 26. $25 and a half, 26 now, 26 and a half. $27 and a half. So it made easily 27. I also want to check it out, the brakes, to see how good they are. So I'll go up to the top speed almost and then use the brakes. I'm about 26 miles, 27, 28, and then I'll brake. It's pretty good, and I noticed the brakes surprisingly very quiet compared to most mechanic brakes. So they brake pretty well for mechanic brakes, and they're very quiet. Usually they squeak. The shifting works pretty good out of the box. You can change this gear with no problem. As some bicycles need to be adjusted derailleur. Okay, let's see how it rides on the grass and how fast it can go. Usually about 15 miles. So it's short like 18 miles, so it's pretty good for grass. So I rode just a little bit, few blocks, and on the grass. So far it's very smooth bike. It does not give you much kick like some bicycle with so much power in it, but it's very nice setup. I can tell that the derailleur was already preset very well, so the shifting working with no problem out of the box. It comes with dual fenders, and it's a metal fenders, full fenders, so it's good. Mechanical 160 millimeter brakes, nice rack. It doesn't look like strong, but actually I sit on it over 200 pounds, holding me very well, so it's pretty strong. Okay, it does come with a rear brake light, which is integrated to the battery. Over here it's a locking device for the fork. Alright guys, so that's about it. Don't forget to wear a helmet for your safety always when you ride your bicycle. So far it looks great. It was set almost out of the box, very easy to set up and ride it. With the next 20-30 minutes you can basically ride it because the battery charge about 70%, and it's very great bicycle for any terrain because it's a fat tires. It's foldable. You can easy to port it, like the mobility is great, so you can put it in your trunk, take it in a bus to work anywhere because it's very easy to fold it. The bicycle, it's about 65 pounds maybe, I'm not sure, I never weighed it. I'll put in description whatever the company said, but I'm gonna weight it later. The battery is bigger than usual. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you in the next video.